Okay, so today we are going to talk about 3 different circles that our 2 hands commonly will move in. So we have a pattern where they both move in the same direction. We also have patterns where they open and separate from each other or close in towards each other. And then we have oblique separations and oblique closing. So we're going to talk about those 3 types of patterns that our hands commonly move in. Okay, are you guys ready? Let's go. So we have talked about the hands moving in the same direction. We've talked about the hands separating and closing. Now for our final circle of the day, we're going to talk about the hands separating obliquely. So these circles are moving in the same direction, but while one is on the bottom of the circle, the other's on the top of the circle. And they meet in between. And then they separate. Good job. Okay, guys. Well, I hope that was beneficial for you and it helps you in your Tai Chi studies. And until next time, bye. Thanks for joining me.